Passports are not merely documents, they are gateways to exploration and opportunities. In today's globalized world, a passport is a symbol of connectivity and freedom. This article delves into the significance of passports, their evolution over time, and the privileges they afford to their holders. Passports have a rich history that dates back centuries. The concept of travel documents can be traced back to ancient civilizations like Egypt, where individuals carried clay tablets to prove their identities and secure safe passage. Over time, these travel papers evolved into more standardized forms. In medieval Europe, privileged individuals received letters of safe conduct from monarchs to guarantee their protection while traveling. However, the concept of a modern passport, as we know it today, emerged during the early 20th century, with the aim of regulating international travel and ensuring security. In the contemporary world, passports serve as essential identification and travel documents. They contain crucial personal information, including the holder's name, nationality, date of birth, and a photograph. Furthermore, passports feature unique security features like biometric data and holograms to prevent counterfeiting. Governments issue passports to their citizens, enabling them to travel abroad, establish residency, and access consular assistance when needed. Possessing a passport opens up a world of possibilities. It grants individuals the freedom to explore new cultures, connect with people from diverse backgrounds, and expand their horizons. With a passport in hand, one can visit iconic landmarks, witness breathtaking landscapes, indulge in local cuisines, and immerse themselves in the beauty of different traditions. Passports empower individuals to become global citizens, fostering understanding and acceptance across borders. A passport is more than a travel document, it is a key to a world of opportunities. It enables individuals to study abroad, pursue international career prospects, attend conferences and seminars, and participate in global events. Many countries offer working holiday visas, allowing young people to gain work experience while exploring new destinations. Moreover, passports facilitate trade and business collaborations, as entrepreneurs can travel freely to establish connections and expand their enterprises globally. In conclusion, passports hold immense value beyond their physical form. They symbolize freedom, connectivity, and the inherent desire for exploration. With a passport, individuals can traverse borders, engage with diverse cultures, and seize opportunities that shape their lives. Let us cherish the power of passports as we continue to foster a world where borders are bridges, and travel becomes a catalyst for mutual understanding and growth. Passports have a fascinating history that dates back centuries. The concept of travel documents can be traced back to ancient civilizations, where individuals carried various forms of identification to ensure safe passage. However, the idea of a modern passport, as we know it today, emerged during the early 20th century to regulate international travel and ensure security. The concept of passports, as we understand them today, started to develop in the 19th century. The first modern passport system was introduced by the British government in 1858. It was a simple single-sheet document that included the traveler's personal information and a description of their appearance. The use of passports expanded as more countries began to establish their systems. These documents became essential for international travel, providing proof of identity and nationality. Passports also played a role in maintaining national security, allowing governments to regulate the movement of individuals across borders. Over time, passport designs evolved to incorporate various security features to prevent counterfeiting. Today, passports typically include biometric data, such as fingerprints or facial recognition, and advanced security measures like holograms and microprinting. In recent years, technological advancements has further transformed passports. Some countries have introduced e-passports or biometric passports, which contain an electronic chip storing the traveler's information. These advancements aim to enhance security and streamline the immigration process. In conclusion, passports have come a long way from their early origins. From clay tablets to modern-day e-passports, these documents have played a crucial role in regulating international travel and ensuring the safety and security of individuals across borders. They continue to evolve as technology advances, but their fundamental purpose remains the same: to provide individuals with proof of identity and citizenship as they explore the world. Traveling has a profound impact on our lives, offering a multitude of benefits that extend beyond mere enjoyment. Not only does it broaden our horizons and provide memorable experiences, but it also has a positive impact on our physical health. Here are some ways in which traveling can change our lives and affect our physical well-being. Physical activity and fitness. Traveling often involves exploring new places, walking through cities, hiking nature trails, or engaging in water sports. These activities promote physical movement, increase cardiovascular endurance, and contribute to overall fitness. Traveling encourages us to be more active, allowing us to burn calories, strengthen muscles, and improve our physical health. Stress reduction. One of the significant benefits of traveling is stress reduction. Taking a break from daily routines, work pressures, and responsibilities allows us to unwind and recharge. Traveling to serene environments, such as beaches or mountains, can have a calming effect, reducing stress levels and promoting mental well-being. Lowering stress contributes to improved physical health, as it reduces the risk of developing stress-related conditions like high blood pressure and cardiovascular disease. Exposure to nature and fresh air. Traveling often involves spending time in nature, whether it's hiking in national parks, strolling through botanical gardens, or relaxing on a pristine beach. Being in natural environments exposes us to fresh air, which is beneficial for our respiratory system and lung health. Fresh air contains higher oxygen levels and fewer pollutants, improving respiratory function and boosting overall physical well-being. Diversifying diet. Exploring different regions and cultures introduces us to a variety of cuisines and culinary traditions. Trying local foods and ingredients adds diversity to our diet, allowing us to consume a wider range of nutrients. This exposure to new flavors and healthier food choices can positively impact our physical health, providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants necessary for optimal well-being. Enhanced sleep patterns. Traveling often disrupts our regular routines and sleep patterns. However, it can also lead to positive changes in our sleep habits. Experiencing new environments and engaging in physical activities during the day can promote better sleep quality and regulate our internal body clock. Quality sleep is vital for physical health, as it supports immune function, hormone regulation, and overall vitality. Mental stimulation and cognitive health. Traveling stimulates our minds by exposing us to new cultures, languages, customs, and historical sites. Engaging in activities such as learning a new language, exploring museums, or interacting with locals challenges our cognitive abilities and keeps our brains active. These mental stimuli contribute to improved cognitive health, memory retention, and overall mental well-being. In conclusion, traveling not only enriches our lives with memorable experiences and personal growth but also has a positive impact on our physical health. From increasing physical activity and reducing stress to exposing us to diverse environments and promoting better sleep, traveling offers numerous benefits that contribute to our overall well-being. So, embrace the joy of travel and let it positively transform both your life and physical health. Why should travel around the world? There are countless reasons why traveling around the world is an enriching and transformative experience. Here are some compelling reasons why you should embark on a journey to explore different corners of the globe. Cultural immersion. Traveling allows you to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, customs, and traditions. It provides an opportunity to interact with people from different backgrounds, learn about their way of life, and gain a deeper understanding and appreciation for the diversity of humanity. Experiencing new cultures broadens your perspective, fosters empathy, and promotes cultural sensitivity. Personal growth. Traveling challenges you to step out of your comfort zone and embrace new experiences. It cultivates resilience, adaptability, and self-confidence as you navigate unfamiliar environments, overcome language barriers, and tackle unexpected situations. The personal growth that comes from travel can enhance your problem-solving skills, broaden your horizons, and expand your sense of self. Breaking stereotypes. Traveling breaks down stereotypes and dispels misconceptions. By exploring different countries and engaging with local communities, you gain first-hand experiences that challenge preconceived notions. It fosters a greater appreciation for the complexities and nuances of various cultures, allowing you to develop a more nuanced worldview. Learning opportunities. Traveling provides unique educational opportunities that cannot be replicated in a classroom setting, whether it's visiting historical landmarks, exploring architectural marvels, or witnessing natural wonders. Each destination offers a wealth of knowledge and insights. Traveling encourages lifelong learning, as you discover the rich history, art, cuisine, and natural beauty of different regions. Personal connections. Traveling allows you to forge meaningful connections with people from around the world. Whether it's striking up conversations with fellow travelers, connecting with locals, or participating in community activities, travel facilitates human connections that can leave a lasting impact. These connections foster a sense of global citizenship and can lead to lifelong friendships and a network of international contacts. Appreciation for nature. Exploring different landscapes and natural wonders can instill a deep appreciation for the planet's beauty and the importance of environmental conservation. From majestic mountains to pristine beaches, witnessing the Earth's diverse ecosystems firsthand can inspire a sense of responsibility to protect and preserve our national heritage. Self-discovery and reflection. Traveling offers moments of self-reflection and self-discovery. Stepping away from the routines of daily life allows you to gain perspective, reevaluate priorities, and discover new passions or interests. Travel provides the space and freedom to connect with your inner self, fostering personal introspection and growth. Unforgettable memories. Traveling creates memories that last a lifetime, from breathtaking sunsets to unique cultural celebrations. Each destination offers its own set of unforgettable experiences. These memories become cherished stories that you can share with loved ones, and they contribute to a rich tapestry of personal experiences that shape your identity. In conclusion, traveling around the world is a transformative endeavor that offers a multitude of benefits. It broadens your perspective, fosters personal growth, breaks stereotypes, provides valuable learning opportunities, connects you with people from diverse backgrounds, and allows you to appreciate the beauty of our planet. So, embrace the adventure and embark on a journey that will leave an indelible mark on your life. Passport Pioneers are an online travel agency that provides cheap travel packages, adventure coupons, cheap hotels, cheap accommodation, cheap flights flying to everywhere, and provide Visa Total Tour packages. Passport Pioneers YouTube channel. Subscribe and get the latest international events notification with tourist help. You can watch this Passport Pioneers channel travel vlog and blog and tourism and travels related news.